Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing a video that I've been doing probably since 2018. It's my Christmas wish list, what I want for Christmas and what I'm shopping for on Black Friday. This is not really a list that I submit to anyone, not my husband, not my parents, no one. As someone who buys everything she wants, it's really hard to shop for me for Christmas. So this just gives my friends and family some idea, but I never really tell them like, get me this, get me that. I'd rather them not give me anything, if I'm being honest. I have a lot of like random things. I have things for my daughter, which is honestly one of my favorite things to shop for, and I have things for baby boy, but I also have a few like splurge items for myself. This is mostly for inspiration. A lot of people like never know what to ask for Christmas, so I love watching these videos as well. I'll have everything that I can find linked down below. This is a lot of like screenshots and things that I've been saving throughout the year, and that's how I know what to get for myself. So that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start off with my Amazon Black Friday wish list. I want these two book series, Chestnut Springs book collection and Alcatraz book collection. And you might be wondering, Philo, didn't you read those books already? Shouldn't you own them? I bought both on Kindle, and I want physical copies for my bookshelves and to reread them. I also want Iron Flame and Fourth Wing physical copies, so if you want to give me those too. I want the AirPod Pro Maxes. So far from the list that I've been getting behind the scenes, I don't see the sale being good enough for me to justify it. I think they'd be great just for life with a newborn and a toddler. So that might be my push present from me to me. This hat is a need, not a want. It literally says, this could be my word. I'm so mentally stable, it's insane. Literally me, literally me. Alternatively, it could say unwell. One or the other. Should I buy an embroidery machine? Let me know in the comments. This bag, I literally do not need a single more bag in this household, but it's so stunning. It's $21, such a steal, and I just want it. I want to do a laundry room makeover because we had to replace our hall tree, long story. So I saw these cabinets that look great. They look like they could fit a lot. They're $150 plus the delivery. So if they go on sale on Black Friday, I will probably be purchasing 3 of them, which hurts my heart, but it's okay. I've been loving lamps that have scallop shades or pleated shades, so eyeing a few on Amazon right now that hopefully will go on sale. A ton of bows. The theme is bows. Stuff for Olivia's room that I'm eyeing. Note cards or personalized stationery for myself, and then for families, one more girly and more pink and more cute, and the other one potentially like our last name and the dogs I'm thinking about, but we'll see. I already bought this. These are just some Christmas plates that have bows on them. I think they are so cute. I have the Dyson Airstraight, and I did return it. I did a whole video on it. I just thought $500 was a ton of money for a hair tool, but I feel like it could help in my hair journey. So if it goes on sale, I'm gonna get it. If not, it's staying where it's at. A new phone case. I really like this beautiful one with the bows. The embroidery machine, like I said, I will be getting that. Maybe I'll start my own merch line on it. We'll see. Like I said, I've been working on this list throughout the year, and I always just take screenshots and I save them. This is a pajama set that I find to be extremely beautiful, and it comes with an option to monogram it, which I think is even better. It's $118, which like, ugh, hurts my heart, so probably wouldn't get that for myself. Urban Outfitters has like a literal chokehold on me right now because the majority of my actual Christmas list things that I'm actually gonna say like get me this for Christmas are from there. Starting off strong with the salt and pepper shaker. Does it match my kitchen? No. Does it look very girly and like something I would have bought in college? Yes. Do I want it? Absolutely. As a almost 30-year-old woman, cannot have a bow duvet cover in my bed when I'm married. But my daughter, who is like 2.5, totally can. So I'm getting this for Olivia. Hopefully it'll go on sale. Urban Outfitters is so bad about their sales, but they have pillowcases, the duvet cover, they have a bath mat, and then a bath curtain, shower curtain. Getting all of that if it goes on sale. For baby boy, I want this swaddle knot situation. Shein has it and Amazon have it, and it's just like a really cute bow. This bow photo holder is adorable. I need it for baby boy. This is where I'm gonna put his pictures. I also, something that I actually could ask for Christmas is a subscription, like a yearly subscription for the photo books that I really like, for chapbooks. I did this for Olivia's first year and I want to do it for baby boy. It's like $15 a month, so it's like not super expensive, and I feel like it's a good gift. So if anyone's watching this and wants to get me that for my family and friends, go off. Then these pajamas I saw yesterday and I'm obsessed. They're like cowboy boots pajamas. Love. Oh, this is super cute. It's from Kate Spade. I feel like it's not too expensive for what it is. I'm obsessed. It's a match wallet. I do not need more wallets. I have 300 that I don't use, but I love it so much. I want to get this disco ball print in Puerto Rico, San Juan something. I don't know if it's gonna say Puerto Rico or if it's gonna say SJU, which is our airport, or if it's gonna say just San Juan. I don't know, but I want to do kind of like an office makeover, and it's starting with this. Then I saw this on Instagram. I thought it was adorable as well. It's a pink ceramic casserole dish. I don't have one. I don't know if this is good quality. This is for my daughter's room. It's this like over the door hanging hook thing. I don't know, I just love bows. They're very trendy right now, and this would just look so cute in Olivia's room. Then we have these really cool dock bowls. I actually think I'm gonna go to, what is it called, like paint thing, whatever. I did it for Olivia's birthday plate, and I think I want to go and just DIY this myself. Once, it just looks so cute, and I feel like I could do it myself. This plate, once again, I feel like I could do it myself, especially for Olivia. Like I could do a Santa's plate for her, and then I could make one for baby boy once we have his name and his birthday for his birthday. I want a bow ring that's gold, hopefully. I love this pillow. I saw it and I screenshot it immediately. Then I have these Skims pajamas. I've never tried Skims. Everyone swears by them. I honestly want to splurge on Skims on Black Friday. I want to get nursing bras, just like anything maternity that I can find that looks comfortable. I'm gonna treat myself on Black Friday for Skims. Hopefully they have a good sale. So guys, that's everything on my very unrealistic wish list. Let me be clear that I will not be purchasing the majority of these items. Just things that I see that I like and I just save them. Hopefully Black Friday sales don't disappoint this year. I feel like they've been pretty disappointing in the past. I know Amazon is doing like an earlier Black Friday situation, so I'll share those once the time comes. Do not fear. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed these, definitely give it a thumbs up and let me know what's on your Christmas wish list, because I want to do a giveaway on December 1st, and maybe I'll give away gift cards to stores that you'll want to shop at, or I'll do like specific items. Like let's say you won a Kindle. I don't know how to wink. Then maybe I'll give away a Kindle. So let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one.